Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 15A of chapter 15, properties of triangle. Students, please watch the video carefully and understand. One question is written here. Question number 8. Each of the two equal angles of an isosceles triangle is twice the third angle. Find the angles of the triangle. First of all, I draw an isosceles triangle. ABC be isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC. Let angle A equal to X, then angle B equal to 2X and C equal to 2X. Because each of the two equal angles of an isosceles triangle is twice the third angle. So third angle is X. Then both equal angle is twice. That means 2X. So let the third angle be X. Then each equal angles equal to 2X. Let the third angle be X, then each equal angle be 2X, because in the question is given twice the third angle. Now, by angle sum property, the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. That implies angle A equal to X, angle B equal to 2X plus angle C equal to 2X equal to 180 degree. That implies X plus 2X 3X, 3X plus 2X equal to 5X equal to 180 degree. That implies X equal to 180 degree by 5. Divide it. 5 3s are 15. So 3, 30, 5 6 are 36. 36 degree. Now find angle A equal to X equal to 36 degree. Answer. And angle B equal to angle C equal to 2X equal to 2 into 36 degree equal to 72 degree. Answer. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 9. In this question, if one angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the other two, show that the triangle is right angle. Students, here given one angle is equal to the sum of the other two. So let in triangle ABC, let angle A equal to angle B plus angle C. Draw a figure. A, B and C. In triangle ABC, let angle A equal to angle B plus C. Now that implies angle A equal to angle B plus C. Left hand side A and right hand side B plus C. Angle B plus angle C. Students, we can add both sides same angle, same turn. That means angle A plus angle A. Angle A and both sides equal to angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Angle A equal to angle B plus C. Angle A adding both sides. So angle A plus angle A equal to angle A plus angle B plus angle C. That implies next step is angle A plus angle A means 2 angle A. Now angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. Why? So because the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree by angle sum property. By angle sum property. Next step is that imply angle A equal to 180 degree by 2 equal to 90 degree. Therefore the triangle is the given triangle is right angle proved. Right and understand and right. Students, next question is question number 10. In this question, in a triangle ABC, if 2 angle A equal to 3 angle B equal to 6 angle C, calculate angle A, angle B and angle C. Students, given in this question, in triangle ABC, 2 angle A equal to 3 angle B equal to 6 angle C. So let 2 angle A equal to 3 angle B equal to 6 angle C equal to X. Let 2 angle A equal to X, 3 angle B equal to X, 6 angle C equal to X. That implies angle A equal to 2 angle A equal to X. So angle A equal to X by 2. Next, angle B equal to 3 angle B equal to X. Then angle B equal to X by 3. Next, 6 angle C equal to X. Then angle C equal to X by 6. By angle sum property. ASP. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. That implies angle A equal to X by 2 plus angle B equal to X by 3 plus angle C equal to X by 6 equal to 180 degree. That implies now LCM of 2, 3 and 6 is 6. 2 3 are 6, so 3x plus 3 2 are 6, so 2x plus 6 1 are 6, so x equal to 180 degree. That implies 3x plus 2x plus x. 3x plus 2x 5x plus x 6x. 6x by 6 equal to 180 degree. 6 to 6 cancel. So that implies x equal to 180 degree. Now find the value of angle A. Therefore angle A equal to x by 2 equal to 180 degree by 2 equal to 90 degree. Answer. Next angle B equal to x by 3 equal to 180 degree by 3 equal to 60 degree. Answer. And angle C equal to x by 6. Angle C equal to x by 6. So equal to 180 degree by 6 equal to 30 degree. Check here. 90 plus 60, 150 plus 30, 180. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 11. It is last question also today. In this question, what is the measure of each angle? What is the measure of each angle of an equilateral triangle? What is the measure of each angle of an equilateral triangle? So let ABC, right triangle ABC be an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Draw figure. A B C. AB equal to BC equal to AC. ABC, let triangle ABC be an equilateral triangle. We know that each angle of equilateral triangles are equal. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. That implies X, let angle be X. Angle A equal to X plus X plus X equal to 180 degree. That implies X plus X plus X equal to 3X equal to 180 degree. That implies X equal to 180 degree by 3 equal to 60 degree. Therefore, angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to X equal to 60 degree. Answer. Right? Students, today your homework is solve exercise 15A. Thank you. That's all.